When I was about 6 years old, my father and I would often visit one of his friends by the name of Mr. R. Venkatesh, who lived at a place called Garodia Nagar, which is halfway between Chembur and Ghatkopar, which are two suburbs in Mumbai. Mr. Venkatesh had this peculiar thing hanging somewhere in his living room. It looked like a large stocking made out of hay. I asked him, "What is this?" He said it's the nest of a bird. Which bird? Baya weaver. I had never seen a nest like this out in nature until very recently when I came upon these empty nests. This is a Baya weaver. I believe that males and females look similar, except that male foreheads and crowns turn yellow during the breeding season. I photographed this with a 100 to 400 Mark II lens. These images are hardly cropped, maybe 20% at the most. That shows you how close I managed to get to these birds. I was on a boat, and my friend and expert bird guide Nitin Nagre rowed me very skillfully closer to these birds. This is a good time to smash that like button, the subscribe button, because I keep posting videos about bird and wildlife photography very often, and I would like you to see all of them. When I see photographs of small birds, I always wonder which lens the photographer was using, because that tells me a lot about the way the person approached the bird, and in turn that tells me what kind of photo opportunities exist in that area. Lighter lenses such as the 100 to 400, 200 to 500 and even the 150 to 600 make it easier to access difficult vantage points and change direction and position very easily. The comments are open. Tell me, have you seen a Baya weaver? Are there Baya weavers around you? What are the birds around you like? I want to know all about them. I'm Girish Menon, and I teach photography workshops online. You can be based anywhere in the world and still learn photography from me. How cool is that? These are not pre-recorded videos that you sit and watch by yourself. I'll be actually present on a live video call, and I'll show you how to use your camera in the manual mode so you can click awesome pictures of anything. Please log on to my website www.girishmenon.com to have a look at the workshops that I offer.